off-road tip of the day. Not really off-road, but off-road, overland, whatever, tip of the day. And I'm not an electrical engineer, but here is a USB port, and you can get any sort of port you want. Make it look nice, drill it into the side. I'm just using this guy. It's got a little weather cap on it, and it's a little floppy little weenus guy, and nothing wrong with it. I ran him through, and the purpose of this quick video is just to show you how to get power in your bed. If you have a Bobo truck like mine that doesn't have all the fancy stuff, find yourself a hole in your bed, like so, and of course it's corrugated. Run the wire through there, down the cab. Let me get my trusty creeper here. Ideally, you would run this through the frame. We have run so much stuff through the frame already that it's such a pain that we didn't want to do it. So you can see it's coming down, and if you've got a pickup truck, I highly suggest you put some foamy guy from like your house water lines for your water heaters, because otherwise it'll chatter and make all sorts of clicking and banging sounds in between your bed and your cab. Run it through, and this is the line here. Run it along the frame, run it in the frame. You can see it's that nice new black corrugated guy right there, hopefully. Along the frame, or in the frame, along the frame, up your wheel well liner, and into, hopefully you can see, into the engine bay. Obviously everyone's engine bay is different. Ours is coming out right from down there, and then we ran it along this bird's nest of loveliness. We have a lot of stuff wired in here, and to the fuse box. So there is inside your fuse box, there will be descriptions of your fuses, and you can test with a voltmeter, one of those guys that just lights up. You put the pin in, and if you touch the contact, it'll let you know whether it has power or not. Find an ignition only power source, or find one that's on all the time, however you want to do it. We have ours to run ignition only, so when the ignition's on, power's in the bed. When the ignition's off, no power in the bed. Then get yourself. And if you find this video helpful in any way, go ahead and mash that Chuck Norris button for us. A cheapo or a nice one, whatever you want. Add a fuse. Let me see if I can put this tripod down. And you're gonna obviously use the plug the original fuse back in here and plug the new fuse in. We like to use one that's consistent with the fuse that's in there. We don't want to use a higher one because we don't want the you know, the wires are all made for the right power level, so we're not going to run a 40 amp fuse on this little circuit here. So this is a 20 amp circuit, so put another 20 on there. And again, I'm not an electrical engineer, but so far this bird's nest has not exploded, and I've wired up about 100 other things that have not caught fire yet. So there you go, and that's how you add power to your bed if you have a truck that does not have power in the bed, pretty easily, with like 25 bucks, 30 bucks. There you go. Quick, as an add-on to the fused power into the truck bed video, I showed you where to plug the positive, but the negative, you should hopefully have a chassis ground of some kind. So we've just piggybacked on these guys and just added another ring terminal, and the ground is here. So so there you go, guys.